Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to share the journal that I made for Junk Journal July. I know we're in mid-August. This did not go the way I intended, and this happened to me with a couple of other challenges. So I think that challenges are just not my thing. I was really into it in the beginning, but then I started to feel like the prompts were limiting and not things that I really wanted to do at the time. So I kind of just scrapped the list. I mean, I looked at it for an overall guide, and then I kind of just put that aside. I started off doing everything on the list, doing all the prompts. But I also started off this journal in a different way. Maybe if I had done it the way most people did it, which was to create spreads that corresponded with the prompts, then it probably wouldn't have been as bad for me. But then again, I don't know. We might have ended up in the same place. Anyway, I didn't stick to that. So I just made a junk journal. And I also intended to show the process of me making this along the way. But I found that to even be difficult because most of the time that I wanted to work on the journal, I wasn't in a space that was suitable for recording. So I didn't get a lot of things recorded. I attempted to sit at this desk and record several things, and I may include some bits and pieces of that because I do have a lot of footage. It's just, I don't know. Anyway, let's just get to the point. I'm going to share the journal and what I did. So I'll link to the video where I showed how I made the cover. I did go back and do some stitching, some more stitching on the cover, and I'll show you why. I used the black thread to bind the book. I used these eyelets and just some satin black ribbon for a closure. This is what the back looks like. And I toyed around with the idea of putting something on the front. I don't think I will. I think I'm going to leave it as is. And I left the strings long, the binding strings long, so that if you want to add beads, you can. I even toyed around with adding beads, but I didn't like the look, so I took them off. But yeah. So it's just a satin bow. And this is what it looks like. I have one lone dangle here. So this is what the inside looks like. There is a long envelope here. There's just a basic plain tag. So, and I try to make this with plenty of room for writing and journaling, and maybe adding photos or memorabilia or your own ephemera. This is a library style pocket. It has the book paper backing, and it has a library card in it, and it says this book belongs to. So this is like a pocket you can add things to. This is a pink vellum pocket, and this is one of the envelopes that I made in a video. I'll link the video. And it just has a basic blank journaling card in it. And this is one of the junk journal printables from the deep floral kit that's available in my shop. I just used 1/2 of one of the sheets, and so that's just more room for journaling and writing. Just on the other side is the other envelope. I have some tea stained and inked grid paper that's in here for writing, journaling. Then I have this washi tag with, this is washi tape by Jane Davenport. The washi tape is sold in Michael's, and I was just in Michael's today. They still have a lot of Jane Davenport products. And this is shimmer paper is on the back, so it's got like a little shimmer to it. Then this is just a little tuck spot. I put the rose. These roses are from the deep floral kit on my website. And then here's a guest check. This is a digital from pleasantcreations.com, and I think this is Artie Mae's tag. I'm not good at remembering where I got everything, because I've been collecting things for a while. So if I remember, I definitely will tell you where I got it. And this is a world map page. It's a digital. I don't remember where I got it, but if you really want to know any of these things that I don't remember, if you really want to know, let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to look it up and find out where I got it from. And then this page was just punched with a decorative punch, so decorative edge punch. This is actually a piece of family memorabilia from 1932. It's not the original. This is a scan and digital print. And this is just a piece of craft paper that I stitched around. This is a little pocket here, little hidden pocket, and then you have a tuck spot here, another one of the guest checks from Pleasant Creations, and then just a little ephemera digitals that I had in my stash. You have your ledger paper. This was a mop-up page from some crafting I was doing, and I did a little corner punching on that. But it's plenty of room for writing, journaling, adding photos, memorabilia, whatever you want. This is a large tag that you can write on. Here is another of the Jane Davenport washi tags, again with the shimmer paper on the back. And then, oh, this is what the paper underneath looks like. This was stenciled in the background. This is a hidden paper clip. This is a flip up, so you can write in the corner, on the corner pocket. I didn't put anything on the corner pocket that you couldn't take off, so that you could actually write on that. You can write in the background here. This is just one of those envelopes that I made in the video, and I just put a little journaling piece in here from the Deep Floral kit. This paper is very delicate, so slide that back in there. And I kind of tuck it under the paper clip. Then we have another one of the Artie Mae's tags, and just a tag from some scrapbook paper that I had, and I wanted to tie in some more of the pink. This was a misprint or an extra print from something my son was doing that I kept because I didn't want to throw it away. This is a pocket here, so it has this little file card in here with the tab on it, so that slides right down in there. Then in the pocket, this was, I think I made this one in one of the videos. It has more of the pink vellum. This was a piece of pink cardstock that I put some of the Tim Holtz tissue paper on and stitched around, and then I just glued it down to give me the pocket on the side. Another one of the tags. This is an envelope from the Deep Floral collection that didn't print quite right, and I still put it together. And then this was a digital that I got from a Facebook group that I'm in. And then this is just a coupon from another digital that I have. This is room to write or doodle or add photos. This is a calendar page from an old calendar. More digital ephemera, postcard. This was just a little card that I made using the bow from the Deep Floral kit. Another scrapbook paper tag and another coupon. So calendar page. This is an envelope. I left it open so that you could write inside the envelope. It also has a little botanical card in it. So it's folded up like this. And then this is an envelope. I'm not sure where I got it. I want to say Artie Mae's, but I'm not sure. So, and that clips right on here like this with the little dangle paper clip. Then here on the other side is more botanicals and another postcard from a digital. And it just tucks right in there. Then we have another digital from the Deep Floral kit. It opens up like so. You can right on that. Okay. And it just slides right there. And then you also have room here for journaling. And then a little of the edge punch here. This is a hidden paper clip. So if you want to clip something on there, you have that paper clip there with a little bling centered flower. Have some coffee or tea. I think this is coffee dyed paper. Yeah, some coffee dyed paper. And then we have another piece of the black paper with one of the large tags. Just a little tag that I made out of the digital, again from Artie Mays. This is a scrapbook paper tag. And then I stamped this and made this little cluster here as a tuck spot. This gift ideas page is digital from my shop. So when I have misprints or extra inserts, I like to use them in my junk journals. This is a tag, a pocket tag that I made. So it has 1, 2, 3 pockets. I've only stuffed 2 of them. I guess I could put that one there. This is another one of the botanicals cards. This is a tag from a die that I have. More botanicals and more coupons. And this is stitched around. This is what it looks like on the, ooh. This is what it looks like on the back. I hope you saw all of that. Let's do this. Okay, and then this is another paper clip, embellished paper clip with a little flag, and it just slides under there like that. Then on the other side we have a vertical belly band, a die cut that you can put a photo on and journal on the back, and then that just slides in there like that. Another postcard, again for journaling. You can put photos on the back, and it just slides under there. Then we have a tuck spot. This was an old recipe. I reduced the size. It was a digital. I'm not sure where I got it. I have several of these. And then this is scrapbooking paper that I inked up, kind of toned down the gold foil. And then it just tucks behind this little cluster that I made. This is your center. This is your binding strings. Again, you can trim those down if you don't want the excess. Here is a scrapbook paper page, the other side of that insert, a book page pocket that I stitched with more botanicals. It's also a collage style tag that I made. It's got 2 pockets here, plus there's a pocket behind it with just some of the that delicate paper that that other envelope was made out of, tucked in here for more room for journaling and writing. Here's another page. This is from the Deep Floral Kit, as is this tag. Also have another one of the envelopes that's not sealed up, and it is again from an old insert. It also has a deep floral tag inside, so it just folds back up like this. And then another one of the digital collage tags with stitching. And this was just a piece of the ephemera from the Deep Floral Kit, and I turned it into a pocket to hold all of this. Let's see if I can get it back in there. Okay, here's the other end of the coffee stained paper. So, and it's just a fold out with room for journaling on both sides. Here is a postcard from the Deep Floral Kit at scrapcraftastic.com. More room for writing here. Got stitching around the edge. This is another hidden paper. Oops. This is another hidden paper clip. Another sheet that I reduced from the Deep Floral Kit from my shop. Some scrapbook paper, and I used it to make a pocket here. Let me put this back together. And then a little tuck spot here with a little flag, a heart, and it says noted. And that just tucks in there like that. Then you have some more of the graph paper that's tea stained that you can use for journaling and writing in this pocket here. A full page that can be used for photos, ephemera. Then we have this decorative pocket here with the bow from my kit. You have room if you want to write or put something in the background here. And then this is the oversized tag from my kit that I turned into a pocket. So it's a pocket tag. This is some more of the ephemera from the same kit. And it just tucks down in there. And then that tucks down into this pocket. The other side of the calendar page. And I made the calendar page into a pocket. I don't know if I mentioned that before. Another hidden paper clip. So this is what it looks like. And it just slides on here. Let's see. There we go. And then another of the guest checks from pleasantcreations.com. Another one of my collage tags. And then a scrapbook paper tag. More room for journaling and writing. This is the other side of the lion page. I love this page. It came out so nice. Anyway, so the other side of that, I have a burlap ribbon pocket here with one of the postcards, and I also did a little stenciling with ink in the background. This is the other side of the floral paper. The other side of the mop-up page with the corners are punched. Here's the other side of this ledger paper. The craft paper. This is a tuck spot and a cluster with a scrapbook paper tag that's inked and one of the collage tags. Then there's a pocket on the other side. I have a paper clip holding this little die cut card. Could do some journaling on that. Another collage tag. This is a coin envelope that you could tuck a note in if you wanted to, and it just slides right in here, again from the Deep Floral kit. And this is the other side of the edge punch page. Here's the rest of the map. And on the back of the map we have a pocket with a little tuck spot where I put a ticket and just a little tag from the Deep Floral kit. This label space is also from the Deep Floral kit. Then we have another pleasantcreations.com guest check, and let's still slide that back in there, and then another Artie Mays tag. This black paper I left blank, and this is not a tuck spot, but you could put a label here, put your photos here, or even use a white pen to write on the page, however you want to do it. It's not too lumpy on the back, so you should be able to write on here. Then I have another scrapbook pocket. Then I have a little doily envelope. It was made out of a heart doily with 2 tickets in it. And we have another piece of the journaling paper from the Deep Floral kit. So you can journal on that. It's tucked into the back pocket here. Then the back cover has another pink vellum pocket. It has this oversized tag. That's what the tag looks like. It has another library card, a piece of printable ephemera. You can write on the back. And then this tag that I made also. And then this is the back. So that is it for the Junk Journal July journal. I will be listing this in the shop. It should be up by the time you see this video, and I will put a link in the description box below if you're interested. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. Also, I did create an Instagram account for my Junk Journal Life. It is Journal Life's Journey, and I also have a Facebook page for Journal Life's Journey, and I will link that below as well. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.